Kuringana na ndomerire racabithirio muthenya wa ira, President Kenyatta no muikarigite wa kiama kia Azimio One Kenya Coalition Party, Raila Odinga ari mutongoria wa kiama nake Kalonzo agathukirwa mumemba wa kanjo ya gutua matua ma kiama. Ni mutaratara uyu riu uria wabururite matuko ya kiama-ini kia Wiper, amemba akio makiuga uiguano wa hau kabere wari Kalonzo athukirwa munini wa kiama.
We must now call upon Azimio la Umoja One Kenya to declare my party leader as the deputy president of this coalition.
I want it to be understood by everyone who cares to understand. The position assigned to His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is unacceptable. Nyinyi msifikirie mtakuja kurushia watu mifupa, makombo, atutukimbia ndio tuchukue. We will not. If my party leader is not comfortable with the position that you have given him, hata hii yangu chukueni, sitaki.
Kuringana na gicunjĩ kia 22 kia watho wa kuramata ciama, kiama o giothe kiri ngwataniro-ini yakio gĩtibatie kwĩyahũrania mĩeri 6 mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene. Kĩbarũa rĩu kĩrĩ kũrĩ President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga kwĩguithania Kalonzo Musyoka na ngwatanĩro ya Azimio One Kenya Coalition Party kuona rĩu mendekithia make atĩ no nginyagia tũgũ ta mũnini wa Raila Odinga megũtiga ngwatanĩro ĩno kĩgeri-inĩ kĩritũ.
The problem in this thing iko na watu 4 na mmoja wa 5 wameongezwa hapo. Shida iko na Alfred Mutua, governor Machakos. Shida ya pili iko na Kivutha Kibwana, governor Makueni. Mtu wa 3 anaitwa Charity Ngilu, governor Kitui. Wa 4 anaitwa Professor Makau Mutua, who speaks for Raila. Na sasa Rafael Tuju ameanza kuingilia hii maneno. I want to make it very clear that you know what? We are not playing games. This is serious business.
If you want to see us in our true colors, whatever the names you call us, you will see it until we get that seat. Kwa hali na mali, we are coming to you.
I don't think it's very easy to corner Kalonzo Musyoka. It is not easy.
Kuringana na Seneta Eno Kwambua, mĩeri 6 mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene yambĩrĩria tarĩki 9 mweri wa 2 na ngwatanĩro ĩno ndĩandĩkithĩtio kĩwatho, rĩu akiuga ona watho wa ciama ũrĩ na wara ũgũbatara kũrorwo kerĩ.
We are looking at 2022/2027. They think we are starting early campaigns. No. 5 years is a very short time. And you must begin to plan. Even government has a plan, mid-term development plan, long-term, mid-term. Because clearly, you don't expect we shall continue to step down forever. Mnanisikia? Yaani utaendelea tu kusema nimeachia, tumewachia. Hapana.
Mheshimiwa Kalonzo alisema Raila tosha bila nini? Bila condition. Na sisi tunakuuliza kwa heshima uchukue Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka kama deputy president without what? Condition.
Kihumo kia uiguano wa muthaniro wa ngwatanĩro ĩno o kuma Kalonzo macemania na President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga kwaiguanĩirwo kanjo ya igũrũ mũno ĩthukĩrwo amemba 7 tu, Jubilee 3 na ciama cia Wiper na ODM 2 o kiama. No rĩu kanjo ĩno ĩcabithĩtie amemba 11 matua marĩa Kalonzo na aruna ake marauga mathugundĩtwo nĩ magavana Alfred Mutua wa Machakos, Kivutha Kibwana wa Makueni, Charity Ngilu wa Wiper na mwaria wa Odinga Professor Makau. Muoroto wao warĩ magĩe na uge mũigananu na Wiper ũndũ ũrĩa rĩu ũrehete mbũkĩrĩra. Macio magĩthiaga na mbere ũrĩa warĩ CAS wa ũkui wa Vinya Ndeti nĩ ahetwo tigiti wa 1 kwa 1 kĩhĩtahĩtano-inĩ kĩa ũgavana Machakos. Gũkũ nake Professor Philip Karoki akĩendekithio ta mũnini wa gavana wa Nairobi thutha wake gũteanĩria mĩto ya ũgavana Makueni County.
Kaloki.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndũng'ũ.